Hello friends, this is Dr. Shilpa Gamde. Welcome to Pharmaceutical Engineering video. In this chapter we are discussing about the mixing, and in this video we'll discuss about the equipment which are used for the solid mixing. Now based on the flow properties of the solid, there are two types or there are two classes of the equipment, that is the free flowing equipment which are made for the free flowing solids. For example, V cone blender is there, double cone blender is there. Equipment which are used for the cohesive solids, in this case sigma blender, planetary mixers, these are the equipments which are used. And based on the degree of mixing or the scale of mixing, batch type means which is used for the small scale purpose like mortar pestle, laboratory scale के लिए use करते हैं हम लोग. Then V cone blender is there, double cone blender is there, ribbon blender, sigma blender, planetary paddle, fluidized mixers. These are used for the small scale type of the mixing, and for a large scale or for a continuous type, generally barrel type, zigzag type, these are the equipments which are used for the mixing processes. Now this is the nature of the mixer, and these are the examples. This is some mechanisms. Now tumbler mixers are there, double cone blender, V cone blender, these are the examples of the tumbling mixers. Tumbling action is their mechanism. Then tumbling mixers with blade, tumbling mixers without blade, ऐसे दो टाइप के tumbler mixers है. Then static mixers are there. In case of the static mixers, examples are ribbon blender, sigma blender, planetary paddles, and the mechanism of mixing is stationary shell and the rotating blade. Then air mixers or fluidized mixers, in this case fluidized mixer it is the example, and mechanism जो है वो air supported blending is there. And continuous type में examples are parallel type and the zigzag type, and rotating shell with rotating blade. These are the examples of the what we can say mechanisms of the mixer. Now first we'll discuss the most important type of the mixing equipment, that are the tumbler mixers or the tumblers or the cylindrical blenders. These are also called as the cylindrical blenders. First we'll discuss about the blenders with no mixing blade. These blenders do not contain any mixing blade. Now see, these are specially made for the dry powders. These tumbler mixers are specially made for the dry powders. This equipment, it consists of a container of any geometric form, any geometric shape. It may be Y shape, it may be V shape, it may be square shape, it may be cubic shape, it may be twin core shape, it may be tetrahedral. Any geometric form this container is of. Then container is mounted on a special type of a ruler. A special type of a ruler is there, on that the container it is mounted, so that it can be rotated about its axis. And generally age of 27 degrees it is good for mixing. So 27 degrees के axis पे generally इसको rotate किया जाता है, so the mixing is good at that age. Efficiency of this tumbler mixer, it highly depends on the speed of rotation. It should be a very crucial speed. It should be critical and optimum. That speed should be critical and optimum. If the very slow speed is there rotation, then there will not be tumbling action. No intense tumbling action will be there. No cascading motion will be there, and not enough shear rates are applied, and there will be no mixing, proper mixing. And if the speed is very high, rapid rotation, then sufficient centrifugal force to the powder to the side of the mixer, and there will be more dusting of the powder and segregation of the fines. बहुत ज़्यादा जो मिक्स particles है वो fines में convert हो जाएंगे, and there will be segregation action because of the very high speed, because centrifugal force will act more in that case. Then rate of rotation depends. Now see, the rate of rotation, it depends on the size, shape of the tumbler, nature of the material which we have to mix. So common range जो है, it should be in 30 to 100 rpm. This is the what we can say the critical speed of rotation. And mixing, it is done by the tumbling action, which is accentuated by virtue of the shape of container, right? Now see, these are the example. This is V cone blender. You can see here the V shaped container is there, therefore the name it is given V cone blender. It is also called as the twin shell blender or the V cone blender. Now see, it is V shaped and it is made up of the stainless steel or transparent plastic. See, material is loaded through the shell hatches. See, these are the shell hatches, right? एंड एम्प्टिंग इज नॉर्मली डन थ्रू द अपेक्स पोर्शन पोर्ट. दिस इज द अपेक्स पोर्ट. यहाँ से हम लोग एम्प्टिंग जो है वो करते हैं. द मटेरियल इज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 50 to 60% मटेरियल इट इज फिल्ड, इट इज लोडेड इन दिस वी कोन ब्लेंडर. स्मॉल छोटा साइज में है तो 20 kg तक हम लोग लोड कर सकते हैं एंड द स्पीड ऑफ रोटेशन इज 35 RPM. अगर बहुत बड़ा वी कोन ब्लेंडर है तो 1 टन तक हम लोग इसमें लोड कर सकते हैं एंड द रोटेशन स्पीड ऑफ रोटेशन इज 15 RPM. As the blender rotates, the material undergoes tumbling action. As this blender it rotates the material, it undergoes the tumbling action. And when V is inverted, the material splits into the two portions. When it is inverted, in these two portions the material is going to split, and again here it is going to split again when it tumbles again. यहाँ पे recombine होगा, यहाँ पे rejoin होगा, फिर से divide होगा, फिर से rejoin होगा, and this causes the what we can say mixing action. So that was the V-shaped V cone blender. Now this is a double cone blender. See, this is also called as the twin core, or it is also called as the double cone. See, this is the double cone blender. It consists of a double cone on rotating shaft. This is the axis of rotation, right? यहाँ पे एक shaft रहता है, इससे ये rotate होता है. It usually used for the small amount of the powders. It is efficient for mixing of powders with different densities. अगर अलग अलग densities के powder है तो इसमें efficiently mix होते हैं. Material is loaded and emptying is done from the same port. यहीं से material को load किया जाता है, वहीं से निकालते हुए empty भी किया जाता है. The rate of rotation should be optimum. Again same thing कि optimum कम हुआ तो there will not be tumbling action, ज़्यादा हुआ तो there will be more fines. So depending on the size, shape of the tumbler and the nature of the what we can say material, the rate of rotation is there, and generally it is in the range of 30 to 100. Mixing occurs due to the tumbling action. Now see, what are the advantages of the V-cone blender? See, V-cone and double cone blenders. If fragile, in case of the fragile granules, they are to be blended. Twin shell blender, it is more suitable because of the minimum attrition. यहाँ पे attrition नहीं होता, fragile material है तो there are chances of the more attrition, breakdown होगा, fines produce होंगे. So minimum यहाँ पे attrition रहना चाहिए. So it is suitable for the fragile granules. They handle the large capacities. They are easy to clean and load and unload, and this equipment it requires the minimum. It is maintenance is there. And disadvantages of the V-cone blender or the double cone blender, that it needs a very high head space, right? You have seen the equipment. High head space is required for installation. It is not suitable for fine particulates steam or ingredients of large differences in particle size distribution. एक बहुत बड़ा पार्टिकल, एक छोटा सा स्मॉल पार्टिकल, ऐसे बहुत ज़्यादा अगर पार्टिकल साइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है तो ऐसे केसेस में दिस इज़ नॉट सुटेबल. जनरली नैरो पार्टिकल साइज रेंज होनी चाहिए. इफ़ पाउडर्स आर फ्री फ्लोइंग, serial dilution is required for addition of low dose active ingredient. So these are the disadvantages of these V-cone and double cone blender. See, these are the what we can say again tumbling mixers are there, but these are with the agitators. These are the tumbling mixers, but agitators are fixed here. Before we have seen the without agitator. Now these are the agitator. V-cone blenders with the agitator. See here. Now what are the advantages? Mechanism of the action will be the same. Other things are same. Only that there will be changes in the advantages with blades. Baffles are useful for both wet and dry type of the mixing. This is the advantage कि we can use it for the wet type of the mixing also. Wide range of shearing force can be applied with agitator bars, permitting to intimate the mixing of fine, very fine as well as coarse powder. And serial dilution is not needed. There is no need of serial dilution. नहीं तो क्या सबसे पहले कम, फिर थोड़ा ज़्यादा, फिर उससे ज़्यादा, फिर उससे ज़्यादा, ऐसे serial wise we have to add, जो कि disadvantage था without agitator का, ऐसे इसमें नहीं है. With agitators, with blades, there is no need of any serial dilution. Low dose की तुम बाद में भी ऐड कर सकते हो या पहले भी ऐड कर सकते हो. Disadvantages of the tumblers with blades. Attrition is large size reduction of friable particle results, राइट. एट्रीशन ज़्यादा रहेगा तो साइज रिडक्शन होंगी, ज़्यादा फाइन्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे. स्केल अप कैन प्रूव द प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज जनरल प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्केल अप डू नॉट वर्क. क्लीनिंग में भी द प्रॉब्लम, राइट, बिकॉज एजिटेटर को क्लीन करना, उसको निकालना पूरी असेंबली को, फिर उसके बाद उसको क्लीन करना, उसको पैक करना, ये सब चीज़ें हैं. एंड पोटेंशियल पैकिंग मतलब सीलिंग जो है वो भी ये हो सकती है, ऑकर होंगी. सो these are the what we can say disadvantages of this tumblers with blades. So this is about the cone blenders. If you like this video, please do like and share with your friends. Thank you very much.